Namaskar and good morning, friends. Today we will look at Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra was having problems till 3 4 years back, but from then onwards it has been improving very fast. So it has come out of profit losses and it is into profits, and the profits are growing. So there are a lot of things which are a plus for Maharashtra Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. A.S. Rajiv is the managing director and CEO. Of course, he was the executive director in Indian Bank earlier. Now we will see the key points about the Bank of Maharashtra. Capital adequacy ratio is very good at 16.15%. Net interest margin is more than 3.28%. Gross NPA 3.74%. This is earlier. Now it has come down further. That also we will see. Net NPA 0.88%. CASA ratio is 56. 56 is very impressive, CASA ratio. For most banks, it is around 40. Now, Bank of Maharashtra is having 56, which is very good. The bank operates a branch network of 2029 branches and 1850 ATMs across India. Bank of Maharashtra does not confine to Maharashtra. It is all over India. Majority of branches, around 33%, are located in rural areas. The loan book, corporate and others comprise 39%, retail 26%, MSME 19%, and agriculture 16%. Bank of Maharashtra has an exposure to agriculture industry with 15.1%, followed by housing 14%, infrastructure 11%, trade 8.6%, NBFC 4.4%, professional services 4.4%, HFCs 3.5%, and of course other types of loans. Maharashtra Executor and Trustee Company Private Limited, METCO, is a 100% subsidiary of this bank. It provides auxiliary services such as consultation, drafting and execution of will, management of investments, guardianship of minors' property, consultation for sale, etc. Bank of Maharashtra has issued major equity to Government of India in the last 3 4 years. It issued 130 crores equity share to central government in FY18 and more than 300 crore equity shares in FY20. Central government was also issued 73 crores equity shares in August 20 at a price of 11.29 per share. Currently, the bank shares are at around 33, something like that. See, the central government got it because 4 years back at 11.29%. So, the shareholding of the central government is very sizable, 93.3% in this bank. Market cap is 23,000 crores. Corporate current price is around 34, high is 36, low is 16.5, stock price earning is 7.59. These are all impressive. Book value 23.5 rupees, dividend yield is 3.8%, ROCE return on capital employed is 4.44%, ROE, these are all old, now it has improved a lot further. Face value is 10 rupees. The stock is providing a good dividend yield of 3.8%. Normally it is 1%, something like that for most organizations, but Bank of Maharashtra is able to give 3.8%. dividend yield. It is calculated in a special way. Company has delivered good profit growth of 34.1% CAGR in the last 5 years. So that is important. Good profit growth for the last 5 years. Maintaining a healthy dividend payout ratio to 20.9%. Company has a low interest coverage ratio. This has to improve. It has delivered a poor sales growth of 7.46%, but earlier 5 years, but now it is improving very fast. And it had a low return on equity ratio of 10.9% only for 3 years. And now it is improving. Contingent liabilities are 30,931 crores. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. Now let us see the latest quarterly results. Revenue is 3,457 crores. Previous quarter 3,815 crores. That is actually these are all 5 quarters back. 3,457 is June 22. That is Q1 of last year. Then the latest quarter, June 23, is 4,789%. Year-on-year growth is 38.53%. Quarterly growth also is reasonably good at 6.54%. Now profit, let us see, net profit 453 is for the Q1 of last year. 884 crores is the net profit for the current Q1. Latest quarter is 884 crores. Year ago quarter is 453 crores. Previous quarter is 841 crores. That is overall 95.14% growth in net profit year on year and 5.11% growth quarter on quarter. The EPS also is growing from 0.67, it has grown to 1.31. Here also 95.52% growth year on year, 4.8% growth quarter on quarter. Gross NPAs have come down from 3.74% to 2.28%. Very impressive. Gross NPAs have come down from 3.74% to 2.28%. That's very impressive. Minus 39% reduction is there in gross NPAs. Net NPAs have come down from 0.88% to 0.24%. I think 0.24% is one of the best net NPA percentages. So it has come down by 73% almost. Now let us see, the stock price has grown by 99% in 1 year. So which means it is almost a multi-bagger share, though falling short by 1%. 99% is quite good. Can it be 100% in the current year? It can be. The way Maharashtra Bank of Maharashtra is growing, it can be a multi-bagger in respect of stock price. We have seen the 5 quarters performance, which was impressive. Now let us also take a look at the annual profit and loss account. Revenue is 11,869 rupees, which has grown to 13,000 crores in March 22, 15,899 crores in March 23, trailing 12 months 17,230. Net profit has grown from 571 4 years ago to 3,036. So, very impressive growth in net profit. Dividend payout is also good, 34%. So now let us see from the latest presentation given by the bank in July. Net profit has increased by 95%, operating profit increased by 55%, net interest margin 3.86%. Net interest margin 3.86% also is very good. Of course, some banks have got 4.25 like that also, but anything above 3.6 is very good. It is 3.86. It is moving up. That is the thing. See, who knows? 5 years from now, 5 quarters from now, it might have increased to more than 4% also. It may. Total business has increased by 24.84%. Total deposits have increased by 24.73% all year on year. Current deposits have increased by 29.69%. Gross advances have increased by 24.9%. All are impressive. See, the bank is pushing its balance sheet ratios, profit and loss account parameters very nicely. Agri advances have increased by 22%. MSME advances have increased by 29.16%. Retail advances have increased by 24.46%. Gross NPA itself has come down to 2.28%. Net NPA has come down to 0.22%. All are down. These NPA are impressive. 0.24 is probably one of the lowest. Provision coverage ratio has improved to 98%. We have seen earlier it was very low, but now very healthy, 98.37% provision coverage ratio. Gross advances in June are 1,75,676 crores. It has been improving. Every quarter it is improving, every year it is improving. Total deposits over a period of time it has now stands at 2,44,365 crores. Total business is 4,20,041 crores. CD ratio, that is cost to deposit ratio, is 71.89%. CD ratio is 71.89%. It's very good. It will come down. It is coming down. It will come down further. Advances to retail sector is 44,952 crores. Agri sector is 23,000. Half of that. Retail sector is more. Agri sector is now less. Earlier, agri sector was the first, followed by retail. Now retail is almost double. Agri sector is half. MSME sector 33,740 crores. There is, we are shifting the focus for giving advances. Agriculture is okay, it is mandatory, it is being given, but retail sector is more profitable, MSME sector is profitable, corporate sector is profitable. Corporate sector is now 73,347 crores. Gross advances is 1,75,676 crores. Net profit has increased by 95.19% year on year. That is quarterly net profit. Net interest margin has increased to 3.86%, which is very good. Return on assets is 1.33. It was earlier 0.81, something like that. From there it has come to 1.33 return on assets percent. Return on equity has come to very healthy 23.73%. Cost to income ratio is 37.23%. That also is coming down very beautifully. Yield on investments is increasing 6.37%, very good. Return on assets is 1.33%. EPS is 1.29. That is also increasing. Now the loans have been categorized. Let us see what are the categories and how. Standard loans, that is fully recoverable, there is no problem like that. 97.72% of the loans are standard loans. Substandard loans are 0.66%. Doubtful loans are 1.53%. Loss, state loss is 0.09%, total 100%. So standard loans are 97.72%. There is no problem for Maharashtra. See, now I have to mention one thing. In the last 10 years, all PSU banks are improving very well. And Bank of Maharashtra is almost at the top of the list. It is improving faster than most other banks. So that is indicated by this loan thing also. That means over a period of time, it's not going to have any great NIMs. So Bank of Maharashtra is on the way to success, on the way to improvement, on the way to growth. It is growing all over India. Bank of Maharashtra is not confined to Maharashtra alone now. It is growing everywhere. It is growing means it's a good bank now. There are no bad banks in PSU banks now. That is, see, there were all bad banks, say 5 years back or 10 years back. But now all are good banks, all are profitable, all are giving dividends to government and of course to us, investors. So consider, keep this in angle. This government is not meddling with the PSU banks, but it is dangling the knife of privatization. If you don't perform, you will be privatized. This was stated by higher-ups. But now we don't hear about the privatization thing. So Bank of Maharashtra is very much a good bank. Likewise, other good banks also I will cover in the coming days. Thank you for listening. I am always covering good companies only. Bank of Maharashtra is a good company now. Earlier, 5 years before, it was a bad company, hopeless company. But now it is a very good company, profitable in respect of almost all parameters. That's the thing. So keep it in mind, listen to it 2-3 times, and then take your decision to invest. And tell your friends also to subscribe to this channel. You subscribe and tell other friends also to subscribe. You will get very good info on good companies. Not only banking, all companies. Thank you for listening.